Hello YouTube, this is a long overdue video I wanted to make about this bicycle light. It is currently in, it's hard to see, in daylight running mode. So actually only the bottom is lit by a band of LEDs, but it looks like it's fully on. And here I have the deep red, which looks like orange taillight. So anyway, let me turn it off first. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn on the regular, actually two lights on. It has 3 beams, and I will show you the throw. This is single in the middle. That's all 3. This is it blinking and then off. So now I'm gonna show you how it's gonna light up the road. So this is 2 beam. This is a single in the middle. This is all 3 blinking and off. So now I'm going to show you the different modes on the tail light. It has a center button that you push. It's blinking. That's like breathing. This is fast double blink. This is like a turning or circle light, circling around. This one is 2 LEDs opposite each other turning, as you can see, obviously, and off. And here is my cat, Speedy. I have him for a very long time, and well, I call him Speedy Gonzalez before. Now he's Senior Speedy because he's not fast anymore, and he's senior now. He lost quite a bit of weight. Anyway, so let me try to show you the lights while I'm driving. Be careful, Speedy. So this was the double. Let's go single and the 3. And I don't know why it's not focusing anymore. There you go. So it might seem a little low, but it is lighting up the street. And you can see how it lights up the license plate on the car. And let me try to find a spot where it is dark, if possible at all. And I think actually the video shows it very well, how bright it lights up the road. I hope nobody sees me. Look kind of stupid with a phone in my hand. Okay, well, It sure is dark here. Well, let me stop here. Actually, this is the road to the cemetery. Oh yeah. Let me get off the bike. Okay. Let me loosen this up a little bit. And okay, that would be in a higher position. Oops. Doesn't look much like that, but it sure is bright. This is a cemetery. I hope I'm not disturbing anybody. Turn it off. As you can see, there are lights back there. So that's the single light again. Oh, actually the double light. That's like the low beam. That's like the high beam. Unfortunately. Try to get it to focus. And this is all three of them. Low beam and high beam. So I think this is pretty bright. Let me not shine on the grave again. Okay. Got the bugs coming in. And the tail light is also very visible and very inexpensive, waterproof, chargeable, and I will show you all in detail again when I get back home, which we do now. So much for visiting dead people. And it is kind of a little bit cloudy. Not cloudy, foggy. Maybe it's just because I don't have my glasses on to see the far. I have my reading glasses on. People looking at me crazy. Oh, and there goes the light. I haven't had a charge in a long time. But I will tell you the running time according to the manual. Actually, this light was sitting in my CNC enclosure since I uploaded the last video. Okay, so let me turn it off and I continue inside. So as you saw last night, the battery went out, and I think I never did charge it since I bought it, and the initial video was from last year, so it's been sitting for 1 year, and I never got to use it at night. So anyway, here is the charging port, type C, and when you plug it in, it has a battery indicator, and right now it's blinking on the first light. I guess it will charge up to the, it has 4 LEDs, and when it's full it's gonna be lit all the way up. So I'm sorry. So here I was showing it, the first one is blinking, it has 4 LEDs, and so this is the Offbondage. This is right here, and it has 900 lumen and perfectly enough suitable for even driving in total darkness, as you saw. And this is the backlight, and I will link to the initial review video in the description if you want to see unboxing and whatnot. But that was the night driving with the lights. So just to say that. Anyway, thanks for watching and take care everybody.